Jai Hind to all. I am Dr. Simal Misra, Assistant Professor in Department of Food Technology at Swami Vivekananda Subharati University. Dear student, today we have discussed about milk. Milk is very important role in my life, in our life. So, very important knowledge of useful of milk. First of all, what is milk? Milk is a white liquid extracted from the mammary gland of the mammals. Mammals means मिल्किंग एनिमल्स, जो दुधारी पशु होते हैं, जानवर होते हैं, वो ये मैमल्स होता है. मिल्क इज द फर्स्ट फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन फॉर द यंग, प्रोड्यूस्ड आफ्टर the gestation period. Gestation period means when newborn is born. So after some days, 7 to 10 days, cow milk, buffalo milk, useful for nutrition for the human body. Milk is a complete food. In India, milk is usually from cow or buffalo. Getting my point? Okay. Composition of milk. In milk, important role in water, fat, protein, lactose, eggs. In buffalo, water 84.2%. This is the maximum water, and maximum fat 6.6, protein 3.9, lactose 5.2, as 0.8. In cow milk is very useful for nutrition. Water 86.6. It is easily digest. Fat 3.8, protein 9.1. This is the important 9.1 protein. Lactose 4.9, as 0.6. Goat 86.5, 4.5, and 3.5, 4.7, 0.8. Okay. In human, like mother milk, 87.7, 3.6 fat, protein 1.1, lactose 6.8. This is the important. Lactose 6.8, 6.8 lactose. Newborn, very important. Mother. Due to lactose 0.1. Okay, it is clear. Types of milk. First, milk, standardized milk. Standardized milk means in standardization, fat and SNF balance in standardization. Standardized milk 4.5% fat, 8.5% SNF. SNF milk solid, not fat. Okay, solid SNF, solid not fat. Tone milk 3% fat, 8.5% SNF. Double tone milk 1.5 fat, 9 SNF. Okay. Color. You know, milk color is white. Color. The color of milk is perceived by consumer to be indicate of purity and richness. Its white color, it is due to the scattering of reflected light by the ultramicroscopic particles, fat globules, colloidal casein micelles, and calcium phosphate. In milk, This is the fat globules. This size 2.5 micron. Okay, understand? The intensity of white color is directly proportional to the size and number of particles in suspension. Homogenization means this is the break the fat globules. Homogenization increase the surface area of globules significantly as a result of the breakup of larger globules. Accordingly, homogenized milk and cream are whiter than their unhomogenized lack fat globules gives skim milk a blue tint. Okay, it is clear. Next point. Cow milk contain the pigments carotene and xanthine which tend to give a golden yellow. You see, जो काउ मिल्क होता है वो आप देखते हो वो हल्का येलो कलर का होता है। तो वो कैसे होता है? कैरोटीन की वजह से। तो जो पिगमेंट होता है येलो कलर वो कैरोटीन की वजह से होता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट फ्लेवर। द फ्लेवर ऑफ मिल्क इज ए difficult to define, but there is no doubt that taste and aroma are critical to the assessment of milk. Flavor constitute a critical quality for the consumer. It is a sensory property in which odor and taste interact. When consumer buy the purchase the milk, so first of all see and smell, taste and taste. The sweet taste of lactose is balanced against the salty taste of chloride. In milk, lactose is low, so taste is the bitter, and lactose is high, so taste is sweet taste, and both are somewhat moderate by proteins. The balance is maintained over a fairly wide range of milk composition even when the chloride level varies from 0.6 to 0.12%. This is the important 0.6 to 0.12%. Saltness can be detected by sensory test in sample containing 0.12%. When lactose is 0.12%, this is the sensory taste salty or more of chloride becomes marked in sample containing 0.15%. Okay, it is clear? Okay. Next, density and specific gravity of milk. Milk density with 3 to 5% fat average is 1.032 gram per cube centimeter. Accordingly, the weight of 1 liter of milk, if 1 liter of milk weight is 1.03 kg, to convert the weight of milk from kilograms per liter to pounds per gallon, the number is multiplied by 8.3. When determine specific gravity, then calculated by multiplied by 8.3. Okay, it is clear? Next point. The average specific gravity of milk at 15.5 degree centigrade at 60 degree Fahrenheit. Note this point: 15.5 degree centigrade at 60 degree Fahrenheit is 1.032. It varies from 1.028 to 1.035. This is the note in the notebook. Specific gravity of milk 1.028 to 1.035 in commercial milk. Okay. the specific gravity of milk fat, milk, the specific gravity of milk, note this, 1.028, 1.035, but specific gravity of milk fat 0.93. MSNF milk means milk solid not fat 1.62 and water 1. Determine the specific gravity of milk. Specific gravity is increased by the removal of fat. Note this point. Specific gravity of milk increased by the removal of fat. When fat remove होता है जब specific gravity increase होती है. Okay? Fat. And lower by the addition of water. जब मिल्क में पानी ऐड करते हैं तो उसका क्या होता है, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी डिक्रीज हो जाता है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सरफेस टेंशन. सरफेस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मिल्क आर इन्वॉल्व इन इट्स फॉर्म एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंड स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ एमल्सन्स. एमल्सन में एमल्सन 3 टाइप, एक सोलुबल, एक मिल्क इन वाटर, मतलब ऑयल इन वाटर टाइप emulsion. Next, they are relevant to creaming, fat removal, membrane function, foaming and emulsifier used in dairy product. Normal cow milk has an surface activity. Its surface tension approximates 70% of that of water. The surface tension of whole milk is usually about 50 to 50 ml per m at 20 degree centigrade. Okay, the surface tension of skim milk is 50 to 60 ml per m. For cream, it is approximately 46 to 47 ml per m. Okay, note this point. Fat reduce surface tension by a physical effect. फैट, जो फैट होता है वो रिड्यूस करता है सरफेस टेंशन बाय ए फिजिकल इफेक्ट. लैक्टोज एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द साल्ट्स टू रेज इट व्हेन दे आर प्रेजेंट इन ट्रू सॉल्यूशन. सरफेस टेंशन डिक्रीज एज मिल्क टेम्परेचर राइजेस. व्हेन टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज देन सरफेस टेंशन इज डिक्रीज. ओके, प्रोसेसिंग ट्रीटमेंट सच एज हीटिंग, होमोजेनाइजेशन एंड टू इंक्रीज सरफेस टेंशन. व्हेन जब हम मिल्क का प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं तो सरफेस टेंशन इंक्रीज हो जाता है. ओके, विस्कोसिटी. विस्कोसिटी मीन्स मिल्क ऐसे समझो आप लोग, गाढ़ापन, दूध में कितना गाढ़ापन होगा, विस्कोसिटी. होल मिल्क एंड स्कीम मिल्क डिस्प्ले विस्कोसिटी ऑफ 2 से 2.1 एंड 5.1 से 8 at 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड रिस्पेक्टिवली. होल मिल्क 2 से 2.1 एंड स्कीम मिल्क 1.5 से 1.8. ओके, इट इज क्लियर. द विस्कोसिटी ऑफ मिल्क एंड क्रीम क्रिएट्स द इंप्रेशन ऑफ रिचनेस मतलब गाढ़ापन, रिचनेस टू द कंज्यूमर. फ्रॉम एन ऑर्गेनोलेक्टिक स्टैंड पॉइंट, विस्कोसिटी कंट्रीब्यूट टू माउथ फील एंड फ्लेवर रिलीज. ओके, इट इज क्लियर. The viscosity of skim milk decreases on heating to 62 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. When जब मिल्क को हीट किया जाएगा 62 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे तो विस्कोसिटी ऑफ स्kim मिल्क का वो डिक्रीज होगा. ओके, आफ्टर विच इट इंक्रीजेज ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्रोटीन हाइड्रेशन एंड इंक्रीज ऑफ टेम्परेचर केसेस ए मार्क्ड रिडक्शन ऑफ विस्कोसिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एट 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड मिल्क इज अबाउट half as viscous as at 0 degree centigrade at 40 degree centigrade. Each approximately 1/3 of the value at 0 degree centigrade. It is clear? Okay. Specific heat. The specific heat of milk product is a function of their composition. The value of whole milk. Whole milk का स्पेसिफिक हीट कितना होता है, 0.93. स्कीम मिल्क 0.95, 40% क्रीम है तो 0.68, बटर 0.53. ओके, Next, electrical conductive current passes through the milk by virtue of the activity of its ionic mineral constituents, of which the chloride ions carry 60 to 68% of the current. There is therefore a close correlation between the electrical conductivity of milk and its chloride content. Electric conductivity means major role in chloride content. Okay, it is clear. Electric conductivity of normally corresponds to the approximately 0.25% sodium chloride solution. Note this point, 0.25% sodium chloride solution, and ranges from 40 to 45%. Okay, the progress of fermentation can be followed by increase in the conductivity of the yogurt base, also determination of whey and its fraction. Okay, clear. Freezing point. Freezing point means determination of freezing point is a parameter widely used to the industry for detection of adulteration of milk with water. The freezing point of milk has a relatively narrow range, minus 0.520 say minus 0.560. Note this point. This is the important point. Okay, minus 0.52 say minus 0.560 degree centigrade. The average being 0.54 degree centigrade. Addition of water raises the freezing point, and reading above 0.5 to support strong suspension of watering the milk. As little as 3% of water added to milk can be detected by this method. Okay, when water add in milk, so after that freezing point increase. Okay, boiling point. A solution boils at a higher temperature than does the pure solvent accordingly to the concentration of the dissolved substance. The boiling point of milk is 100.17 degree centigrade. Note this point, 100.17 degree centigrade. मिल्क बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे जब पहुंचेगा मिल्क तो ऑटोमेटिक बॉयल होने लगेगा. इट इज क्लियर. ओके ओके, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट मिल्क. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, थैंक यू.